All right, my friends, welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick review to give you a reference point for opinion essays and just things to remember as you are checking out and getting ready for the final writing quiz. Opinions are about what you think. There is no right or wrong answer to an opinion question. You get more points based on how well you write your answer. And we're looking at all of these different things in an opinion. We're looking at spelling, grammar, structure, vocabulary, and creativity. Structure. Do you have an introduction, a body, and a conclusion? Are you using signal words? Are you maintaining 3 reasons and 3 examples? Do you have the right number of sentences? Might feel the most difficult, but is probably, if you memorize it, it is probably the easiest way to get points. Now, looking at the introduction, a good essay always starts with a short introduction. In an opinion, you're going to give 3 things: the topic, your opinion, and what you will do in the rest of the essay. Now, to move beyond this current level, you need to have better writing. To get better at writing, you have to use different words in your sentences. So take a look at these. Here's the introduction from the Indian food essay that we studied several times in class. Many people prefer eating Indian food to other food. In my opinion, Indian food is the best. In this essay, I will explain why. Now, watch how you can change these words around. So, the red we can switch. Many for some, or most. Most people prefer. Many people. Some people. The green, people, we can change to people, students, children, teachers, police officers. If you change it, you make it more specific. And that's okay. Prefer, you can use prefer or like or enjoy. Your verb, in this case, it's eating. It has to match the topic. So you can't switch it for watching Indian food or living Indian food, but use an ing verb that matches the topic. You would not say people prefer eating television to movies. It's like, what? No, that's not right. People prefer watching television. People prefer eating Indian food. So take a look at some of these. Many people prefer eating Indian food. Some students like eating Indian food. Most children enjoy eating Indian food. This is how you can make your writing different from other people. Make it more unique and more creative. There are many different possible combinations. Practice them. Think about them. Check them with a teacher. Be careful when you add more things to the ends of these sentences. You don't want your introduction to be too complicated. You want your introduction to be very clear. The body will be 3 reasons and 3 examples for your opinion. And this is going to answer why. Why do you think this? Why is why do most children enjoy eating Indian food? Why do some students like eating Indian food? Your reasons need to match your examples, and this is a big problem. So, I have 3 main reasons for my opinion. My first reason is that Indian food is delicious. For example, Butter chicken is creamy and spicy. Delicious matches with creamy and spicy. Secondly, Indian food is healthy. For instance, it has a lot of vegetables. Vegetables and lots of vegetables is healthy. Finally, Indian food is cheap. For example, you can buy chicken biryani for 10 dirhams from a restaurant near my house. 10 dirhams is cheap. See how they all match together. Delicious, creamy and spicy. Healthy, lot of vegetables. Cheap, 10 dirham biryani. Make sure your examples match the reasons. A lot of people make mistakes here. A lot of people repeat the reason. Secondly, Indian food is cheap. For example, it isn't expensive. That's wrong. You're just telling me the same thing. Indian food is cheap. For example, a curry costs 15 dirhams. That is a good example. So take a look here. Swimming is healthy, children are noisy, dogs help people. Those are my reasons. My examples, which match with which. Take a second. And that should be your answer. Swimming is healthy. It makes your arms and legs strong. Children are noisy. They shout when they play. Dogs help people. They guard your home. Choose the best example. My first reason is that children are smart. For example, my sister is 10 and she can speak 3 languages. Or my sister is very intelligent. Secondly, traveling by plane is fast. For instance, some planes are very quick. Or you can fly to London from Dubai in about 6 hours. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is an example for your reason? These are the correct answers. My first reason is that children are smart. For example, my sister is 10 and she can speak 3 languages. Secondly, traveling by plane is fast. For instance, you can fly to London from Dubai in about 6 hours. Now, the conclusion can have 2 sentences. You're going to change the yellow parts. Keep the blue parts. Copy these words, use them. In conclusion, I believe that Indian food is the best food. If you eat Indian food, you will enjoy it and you will be healthy. Now, you're going to be using the reasons, the 3 reasons from your body in the conclusion. Change those words and practice them. Good luck. Keep writing.